Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today something very quickly and absolutely al bacio, delicious. I'm going to make a pasta. It's spaghetti, cacio e pepe. Cacio is like cheese. I'll show you what we need. Basically we need some cracked pepper, black pepper. I crack it, or you can buy already like that. 50 grams of Parmesan and 100 grams of Pecorino Romano. Okay, it's absolutely delicious. And I'm gonna use some spaghetti. The water is already boiling with salt and we're gonna cook the pasta. To make this dish we need 10-12 minutes, the time we're cooking the pasta, okay? Pasta in. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel and check out our website cookingwithanitalia.com. See you in a few minutes when the pasta is almost done. Take a bowl like this and put the cheese inside. If I need, I'm gonna put this cheese inside. We're gonna add some water from the pasta and we're gonna melt that cheese. See you soon. Okay guys, the pasta still cooking, is halfway. The gas, we need very warm this pan and we're gonna toast the black pepper. I show you with spoon. 1, 2, 2.5. Okay. We counting 3 teaspoons, okay? We toast this and we wait. Already the smell, guys. The pepper is absolutely very nice. Do this, okay? Some water. Okay? Leave there to cook a little bit. Now water from the cooking, but you're gonna add very slow. Okay? Add and start mix everything. Need a little bit more. This is what we want. Gonna be soft, but not too soft, okay guys? Yeah, like it is. This is what we need, okay? Something like that. You see? We are not master chef, but we cook very al bacio. Spaghetti in. Okay? Oh, look at that, guys. Water. Because the spaghetti, they're gonna cook a little bit more. 1.5 minutes, maximum 2, and I'm gonna show you when we're gonna add the cheese, okay? Okay, guys, the pasta is al dente how I like. Off. Take your cheese and start mix. Oh yeah. If you like less pepper, put less pepper, of course, okay? I'm gonna try. Guys, è un capolavoro, it's a masterpiece, it's absolutely delicious. Guys, try it, 10-12 minutes, you have dinner, absolutely stunning. My cacio e pepe is this, guys, if you like. Oh yeah. Finger up and follow us. Ciao.